Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are diving into the hidden reality behind paid illegal IPTV services and network fraud. Millions of users pay monthly fees believing they have unlocked cheap, full access to premium live channels and streaming libraries. Many viewers treat these illegitimate providers like legitimate media subscriptions. The reality is that paying unauthorized resellers for streaming playlists is an outright scam that places your personal security and network at severe risk. Let us examine step by step how these illegitimate systems operate, why paying resellers is a trap, and how you can protect your local internet connection. Step 1 is understanding how illegal IPTV syndicates source and monetize their content streams. Organized crime groups hijack pay TV signals through compromised decoders, rogue satellite feeds, and stolen credentials. They repackage these stolen streams onto cloud servers and sell reseller access panels to shady online vendors. These resellers post flashy ads on social media promising tens of thousands of live channels in 4K resolution. They charge anywhere from $40 to $60 a year, making it appear like a massive money-saving deal. In reality, resellers manipulate channel counts by listing the exact same broadcast 3 times under low standard and high definition feeds. Most of the listed channels are completely offline, unmaintained, or dead links. Every dollar spent on these paid services directly funds underground crime syndicates, human trafficking networks, and cybercrime operations. Step 2 is recognizing the privacy and network security risks associated with purchasing illegal IPTV access. When you subscribe to an unauthorized streaming provider, you share your email, payment details, and IP address with unknown parties. Resellers operate through shady payment gateways, Telegram channels, or anonymous cryptocurrency transactions that leave zero consumer protection. Your payment transaction creates a permanent digital footprint that can be tracked by cyber enforcement authorities and internet service providers. Furthermore, downloading untrusted third-party streaming applications or custom configuration files can expose your local devices to malicious botnets. Cybercriminals frequently use rogue streaming software to convert residential home connections into proxy nodes for illegal cyber attacks. Your home connection can be flagged by your internet provider while you pay a subscription fee for an unreliable service. Step 3 is auditing and securing your local home network hardware against unauthorized connections. Start by accessing your home router admin page on your desktop computer. Open your web browser and navigate to your gateway address, typically written as 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log into your router interface using your administrator password. Check the list of actively connected devices on your network to make sure no unknown streaming boxes or virtual private network tunnels are running on your IP. Go to your router wireless settings page. Make sure your primary network uses WPA3 or WPA2 pre-shared key encryption. If your dual-band router broadcasts separate frequencies, assign your primary devices to the 5 GHz band, and move unverified hardware to an isolated guest network on 2.4 GHz. Step 4 is configuring secure network parameters on your streaming media hardware and routers. Open your device network settings menu on your phone, computer, or media box. Navigate to the custom domain name system settings option. Change your primary DNS server address to DNS 8.8.8.8. Change your secondary DNS server address to DNS 1.1.1.1. Using encrypted third-party DNS routing prevents local cache redirection and protects your device from malicious ad servers. If you connect your media box directly to a modern 4K TV, make sure your cable connection meets HDMI 2.1 specifications for reliable signal pass-through. If you suspect an unverified streaming application is running in the background, clear the app cache, uninstall the application, and reboot your hardware immediately. Step 5 is utilizing safe, legitimate, and free alternatives for online video playback. You do not need to pay unauthorized resellers to access free legal streams across the internet. Public open source projects maintain legal free M3U channel lists containing public access broadcasts and news channels. You can copy a clean public M3U link and paste it into trusted open source video players like VLC. On your PC, open your browser and go to www.videolan.org/VLC. Download and install the official VLC application. Launch VLC, open the Media tab, and select Open Network Stream. Paste your public M3U link or paste an individual live stream link, formatted like www.livebytheunknown.com/downloads into the player. Press play to start watching clean, legal content without risking your financial information or network stability. That covers the breakdown of paid IPTV scams and how to keep your home setup secure. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech breakdowns, network safety tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this topic.